One of the most renowned physicists of our time, Dr. Michio Kaku, has recently weighed in on a discovery that could shake the very foundations of modern cosmology. Known for his groundbreaking work in theoretical physics and his captivating explanations of complex topics, Kaku has turned his attention to a stunning revelation made by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, a revelation that challenges everything we thought we knew about the birth of the universe. The telescope, hailed as the most powerful space observatory ever built, has detected something truly baffling: 6 enormous galaxies that appear to have formed just 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. According to our current understanding of the cosmos, such galaxies shouldn't even exist at that point in time. These aren't faint, barely formed clusters of stars, they're massive structures, each containing more stars than our own Milky Way galaxy. And they've appeared far earlier than any model had predicted. Researchers have fittingly nicknamed them universe breakers because if the data holds true, these galaxies could force scientists to rethink the timeline of cosmic evolution, and perhaps even question the Big Bang theory itself. In a recent statement, Dr. Kaku expressed his excitement rather than skepticism. Unlike some scientists who resist change, he embraces the unknown. For him, these findings are not just anomalies, they're potential gateways to a new era of discovery. Kaku has long advocated that science should follow evidence, not dogma, and that breakthroughs often come from the most unexpected observations. He compared this moment to past scientific revolutions, when long-held beliefs crumbled in the face of undeniable data. Let's step back for a moment. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe began roughly 13.8 billion years ago from an extremely hot, dense singularity, and has been expanding ever since. In those early moments, everything was chaotic: clouds of gas, energy, and particles colliding in an intense cosmic storm. It supposedly took hundreds of millions of years for gravity to sculpt this chaos into stars, galaxies, and the first hints of structure. But the galaxies discovered by JWST formed too quickly and are too massive, suggesting something is off with our model of the early universe. Just how massive are these galaxies? Scientists estimate that each contains the mass of tens to hundreds of billions of suns. To reach that scale in just a few 100 million years seems nearly impossible under current physics. Even more perplexing is their brightness. These galaxies appear to be forming hundreds of new stars each year, whereas our Milky Way produces just 1 or 2. That kind of stellar output suggests a hyper-accelerated process of growth, unlike anything we've ever observed. Could it be that the universe is older than we think? Or did galaxies form in a completely different way than we imagined? These are the questions now echoing through laboratories, observatories, and physics departments around the world. One crucial tool in all of this is the concept of redshift, a phenomenon where light from distant objects stretches into the red end of the spectrum as they move away from us. It's the cosmic equivalent of a siren sounding lower as it drives away. By measuring redshift, scientists estimate how far away and how old a galaxy is. The galaxies found by JWST show extremely high redshifts, placing them very close to the dawn of time. However, even a small error in these measurements could lead to vastly different conclusions. That's why teams are racing to confirm the data with additional observations. Kaku's response is one of wonder and anticipation. He stresses that science isn't about clinging to old models, it's about pushing boundaries and staying curious. He reminds us that history is full of theories that once seemed untouchable, like the idea that the Earth was the center of the universe, or that time was absolute. Those were replaced by heliocentrism, and Einstein's theory of relativity. Now, perhaps, we're on the verge of another scientific revolution. While some scientists urge caution and suggest the galaxies could be misidentified, maybe they're not galaxies at all, but something else entirely. Kaku is more optimistic. He believes that if these objects are indeed what they appear to be, we might be entering a new era of cosmology, one where even the Big Bang may need refinement. What makes this moment so thrilling is the sense of mystery. We are not just peering into space, we are looking back in time, to the very origins of existence. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened a window into an ancient, unknown universe. And what we're seeing through that window may change everything. As this story continues to unfold, one thing is certain: science is at its best when it's surprised. This discovery reminds us that the universe still holds secrets, big ones. Secrets that challenge our models, ignite our imagination, and push us to go further. Thank you for watching. If you found this video fascinating, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Discovery 2.0, your channel for exploring the mysteries of the universe. What do you think? Could this truly rewrite our understanding of the cosmos? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring.